would like to convey my best wishes and warm regards to all the organizers of this beautiful program. Today, as we come here to celebrate this remarkable achievement of our dear students with special educational needs,
Kumshibenta ban penchlur bat ban aimen semi ki breu ki beduna ka dokotmen bandang kiu ha ka puli puthi ha ka khat artrik naitung arajar arpusau ka Meghalaya Progressive Special Educators Union harungkat ka jingetrei lang ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy and Samagra Shiksha ka Simam Meghalaya ki lepun kup buram ye ki nyau pulai ngut ki samla puli ki beduna dokotmet ki bela pendap ye ka jing puli ha ka SSLC bat ha ka HSSLC. Haba ajing keren hagani kasngi uminturi ka tanak social welfare ba polling dog ulapan power ka jing sngau kemen bandon lang hagani kasngi bekerpang ban penkop buram kerpang yiki samla ki beduna hagi dekotmen ki bela pendap yiki kerdan puli bepher uba apol ulaong bekajela Meghalaya kalakiu syakmat ha ka bede bekajing kersyan jengerap yiki parlok ki beduna hagi dekotmen hendrai don kam ka jing trelang nabaro kiliang
Ibacanai Thaba Benkemenlan Kharbani Wandan Box ini Migito Banlong Jingshan Skier Banlong Jingshan Daisy Grace Wayne Reggie
Rukau ke Helen Kera Gregori kepala khai ka dekat kejing bamla banyu snow gamna banyu kalau bamatla dan rai ke poi itu uput bahkan jo ya kan Nobel Prize kalau long group kenong tho kepala challenge wat ya kesoka Amerika limba kijing ki eksa juga na benda hok jogi kentai ni pai sha Beethoven manu balapan mundur bogi udai kena balaha wa duna ko borio snow nadu udang Arsenal berta andai classical composition jo Beethoven kiai hadu benda asli bakin kiai tak ke civilization ke andal dengan terau air nemong di badu Mesir air nemong dan kamdu kalau yeni kamtan ki perlok ki babian lut di dekatnya bagi semua ini dua bahkan dari kamu moral responsibility jadi bang terwa dari kecerdasan kejengeram compassion bonengi badan berapa hikmat pemilihan ini yang dan vision New Snow tanpa New Snow bila akan berkat Andrei Terry berkat ini berlongkam jika tak ada AA bahwa Masno dari bersama tentu piani dan group tadi the moral responsibility ban shim ba gilalo kepala kulpa ba kali yeni ban reach out ban clear di jom kasi kesan sa kiparlok badan izin na dekatnya. Nah kalian jom ke department Petuni ini special educators kita pion Wilan dah remote ni IT ke monthly salary ke belum life or job. Dia buat banyak increase yang dijadikan jadi special educators and they dijadikan group ini bagaimana well qualified suara action yang dilakukan. But kali ini nak challenge di bagian kedua. Dan dengan orang ini dan kecil on where a small mind sees problems, a big mind sees opportunities. Ni bagi opportunity bagi nak berbahal kecintaan menjuni dengan penjenai ya posisi sendiri kebangiai kenapa ni penting bah itu kibadan izin guna bagi karena kita snow bah iim apa yang izin guna adalah ID hijau hilap hilati bah kaya kepada job mental si banyo ekri burung banyo ekri filling station tapi ia kata the resilience of the human spirit kecil kain buat contoh mensir contoh dalam sana ulang dan baru ahli di kawai kepala guna kapudi yang kecil kain contoh mensir contoh lada menontok jiwai Wamioi, Wamiosno, Gula Bani, Anong Way Nakinawa Ketang Patay, Skinny Waters, Nam Apati, Bun, Skinny Waters, Paki Heran Kila, Apeng, John Bajan, Pakistan, Kajing Etay, Rika, Coordination Kamtam, Breaking Departments, education, social welfare, health. Kenapa? Minora yang environment, bagi perok jualan gizi guna, bagi department, insau bagi shibenta, jom jadi persian dari bandar yang kejelas ini syakman.
Would like to convey my best wishes and warm regards to all the organizers of this beautiful program. Today, as we come here to celebrate this remarkable achievement of our dear students with special educational needs, who have not only faced the challenges, but have also been able to overcome all these challenges and have come out triumphant in their board examinations. This is indeed a testament to their unwavering determination, their hard work, and the support that they have received from their teachers, from the parents, friends, and society. Dear students, your success is an inspiration to every one of us. You have shown that you can shine in spite of the obstacles that you have to encounter in life. I would like to make a special mention of Shri Shanskem Karsawian, who has just expressed the challenges that he had to encounter, but in spite of that, he has overcome and he is the man he is today. I am so proud of you, Shanskem Karsawian. May God continue to bless you as you proceed your steps from now onwards in the days and in the years to come. And may Shanskem Karsawian be an example to each and every one of you who are yet to traverse this journey of life.